Spring is around the corner, and as much as we are excited about it, there's lots to do on the farm in springtime. You know, the road from winter to spring in Manitoba is pretty long and muddy. Welcome to No Risk No Farm. My name is Leo Risk. I wanted to invite you today to join me as we are helping the cows to get through the muddy season. See how they are complaining already? It's a totally mud hole over there. Now that the snow is melting, it's really challenging to keep them dry and clean. And yeah, I have a couple ideas how I can help them. And yeah, please join me, come along, and I will see if yeah, we can actually help them. First thing I want to do is to move this gate. This gate divides two corrals, and the challenge is it is frozen to the ground. So I will need the tractor for that. And the goal is to close this section here so that they can't go in this corral, because as you might recall, I covered the drinkers over there, and yeah, the cows are not supposed to go there and eat the straw. Oh, look at this. The geese are coming back. It's a clear sign for spring. That's exciting. That was easier than expected. Now that the gate is closed, I will go over to that side and try to take out the feeders, because right now I have 4 feeders in this winter corral, and they are, yeah, pretty much buried in mud. So that's our next step. You see the elevation here of these corrals is completely yeah, different. Each corral has a different slope, so the melting water is coming through. Yeah, absolutely. I'm working on it. Be patient a little bit. So, and this one is pretty high, and the one where the tractor stands as well. So then I will bring them to this side. A couple of days ago, I put already the 2 old or bad hay bales there, which are good for bedding. So that's yeah, to prepare a little nice area for them. And we do this because next month the calving season starts here, and the first calves will probably come there. So, and I don't want to have them here on this muddy spot. in order to get the feeders out here of the corrals, I brought some heavy-duty chains, and I will hook them onto these feeders, and yeah, we'll see how that works. It's yeah, really nasty. Oh, I see the cows busted this one here. I guess I will have to repair it before I put it in place. She has always something to say. It was more difficult than I expected. The feeders were frozen to the ground, and I had a hard time to get out the last two. Yeah, now we have them all here on more or less dry ground. I have to inspect them a little bit and see what we need to do in terms of repair. I see the first one is broken here on the top rail. I will quickly fix that and weld it in place again, so to prevent the cow from being injured here on these corners. So this one is, yeah, I think one bar is missing here. I need to put one in here, and on this spot I need to fix it as well. It's loose here on the bottom. Yeah, that's for this one. This one has only a couple bad spots on the bottom. I think I will just cut it off and leave it like this, and it should be fine. And the last one is, I think good to go. Yeah, this one should be fine. So basically two have a little bit bigger damage, and the last two are, yeah, pretty much okay to use. This is a very small welder, but it helped me quite a bit on the farm already, and yeah, I will see how it goes this time. yeah, the Weld will not win a big award, but I think the cows don't care. Main thing is that it's sturdy again, and yeah, I think it will do the trick. So now the first feeder is repaired, and we move on to the second one. I just cut this bar to length and made it fit here. Now I will weld it here, and then we have another spot over there somewhere. Yeah, and that will make it usable again. Okay, we finished the welding job here, and now we will move all 4 feeders to the pasture and fill them with hay, and hopefully we'll be able to move the cows a bit later. So at the end of the day we will have happy cows again, hopefully. You guys, I had to take my jacket off. It's so warm. It's 7 to 8 degrees, something like that, and especially now that I'm welding, man, it's almost hot. I want to say something about this structure here. You see, it's our KFC. We call it like this. It's basically a chicken tractor that we use for chicks when they grow up, so we can pull it over the grass and stuff. I made it out of an old trampoline base here, and put some wire around it and the roof and stuff. But yeah, the wind was pretty hard these days, and it was leaning against the fence here. And next morning I came here and it was like yeah, upside down. Yeah, Mr. Wind can do funny things when we allow it. So yeah, I guess it hold it up, but not sure if there's any damage to it. We'll see when we turn it around a bit later. Now that we have 4 bale feeders here in place, we will fill some of them with good and nice hay. I think I will bring 2 bales here for now. I'm planning on doing some work on the tractor, and that will be convenient to have 4 bale feeders here then, because that will last us for I think 2 weeks and give us a little bit of time to work on the tractor. I'm planning to do some hydraulic work, and also yeah, a gasket needs to be replaced or so it will take a couple of days. Yeah, so now I'm bringing the second one, and then we can release the cows. So yeah, that was a very important task that we finished today, and now there is a final step. We need to release the cows. They are ready to go, as you can see, and yeah, we'll see how easy they will move on or move over to the new corral. Hey cows, are you ready? Are you ready to move? Are you ready to move? Okay, let's see. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Yeah, exactly. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Okay, go. Go and explore. Yeah, exactly. Go and explore. I think they like it. At least it looks like it. There they go. Now you have room. That seems to be a little bit better for them, hey? Yeah, I hope that will last for a while, and that they actually can enjoy this. Yeah, I'm happy that we could help them to get off of this muddy hole there, and so that they are prepared for calving season and have it nice and clean here. Yeah, that was an important task today that we finished. It seems like the cows are happy, and we are happy too that we could help them. Yeah, if you guys enjoy content like this, life on the farm, day by day tasks, please subscribe and see how we continue to develop this property and this farm. And also hit that like button if you don't mind. Yeah, I hope you will have a good day, and hope to see you next time. God bless.